Hey everyone, Miss Gibbs here. Today we are going to be doing a paint chip style geometric non-representational painting using tints and shades. So we're going to start with our piece of paper and our backing placemat. First thing we need to do, you need to write your name twice. First time is on the back of your paper canvas. The second time is on the back of your placemat cardboard. For this project, we are actually going to be using tape first. Now, you can do this project in two different ways. I'll show you. You can put your tape to form triangles, so they're crisscrossing. Like that. Or you can do a variation of different squares and rectangles. Something like that. So they can crisscross and form sort of triangles here for geometric shapes, or you can do something with squares and rectangles with your tape. So two different options there. We're going to start with this blue tape. This is very delicate tape. For mine, I'm actually going to do the squares, rectangles type of layout. So it's important that our edges extend beyond. Yours is going to look different than mine. You don't want too much excess coming off. I'll hold down and rip there. Oh, let's see over here. See what I did there? That we don't want. We want it to be a clean line. So I'm actually going to gently lift that up, and I'm going to move the placement over so that that line stays clean and it isn't sticking out. Okay, for the next part of this, we are going to paint some of these sections in with our hue, which is the pure color. I have chosen purple as my pure color. You will have a choice of which color is going to be your main color that you are working with. So we will have a few choices for you. So I'm going to start with my hue. Remember, I'm not going all the way up on the metal part. I'm just putting the paint on the tip of the brush. I'm going to choose an area to paint my hue. One thing that I'm going to be sure to do is I am going to make sure I'm not going past that blue tape. That is my border. I'm doing even brush strokes and painting in one direction. That is coated with that pure color. My next area that I'm going to paint is going to be a square or a rectangle that's not touching that directly, because we want to have some variation and balance this and bring some unity to our artwork. So my next area that I'm going to paint is going to be right over here. I'm going to also paint. See, that's touching, that's touching. I could do this one, I could do that one, I could do that one. Where else could I do? I could paint over here, could paint over here, over here. I think I like the idea of having the four corners, having the purple, the straight, pure hue of purple. So I think I'm going to do that to bring some balance and unity to this artwork. Oh, look, I did go over the line a tiny bit. So maybe to fix that, I may do a darker shade there. That would make sense. That's how I'm going to fix that mistake. All artists make mistakes, and that is a-okay. See that mistake I made? Yeah, messed up a little bit right there. Went over the line a tiny bit. But we're going to work that out. Okay, for the next part of our painting here, we are going to create a tint. So the tint is going to be the hue plus white. So depending on how much white we add, that's going to change our tint. The more white we add, the lighter the color will get. So I'm going to start by mixing these to create sort of a lavender. I'm going to paint one of these squares here. Now I'm going to add even more white here. All right, now we are going to add our shades, which is the hue plus some black. And now for the last part, we are going to remove the tape that we put onto our artwork. Peeling gently. Wonder if I messed up there. Oh, no. There we go. So I'm holding the paper down and then I'm peeling. If your paper seems like it's going to rip a little bit like mine is right here, make sure you try to pull with the grain of what you're peeling. There we go. Ooh, I think that might have messed up.